Hi, good morning. I'm Ron Florence from Cidan Machinery. Today we're going to show you our safety light curtain that we offer for our folding machines. The model number we use is a SICK C4000. This model mounts to the frame of the machine so that it can't be bumped and moved around. It shoots from one end of the machine to the other across the bending line. Its function of operation is when the machine is above the safety point and the curtain is interrupted, it will stop the clamp from coming down. Once you've reached the safety point, the curtain will go mute so that you can use it whether your fingers are in the curtain or not. Demonstration. Above the safety point, it will stop. If I freeze the curtain, resume operation. Once I've reached the safety point, I can still clamp. The curtain will go mute. Okay. Looking from the operator side of the light curtain, it's very unobtrusive. It doesn't stick out into the work area. It's still protected by the guard, and it's far enough away from the bending line that if someone trips into the machine has enough reaction time to stop before somebody gets caught in the machine. I'll demonstrate the function for you. When this beam is above the safety point, it can move up, which is a safe movement, whether you're in the curtain or not. But on the down movement, anytime you enter the curtain, the beam will stop. When I come out, the machine will resume operation. Once I've reached the safety point of the machine, I can be in the curtain and still clamp. This is normal operation. Also, you have an indicator light which will display green. Anytime the curtain is interrupted, it will display red. Hi, this is Ron Florence from Cidan Machinery. We're going to talk a little bit about our light curtain that we've just installed on a K25 model. The model we're using in this application is the SICK C4000. It's a vertical light curtain that shoots from one end of the machine to the other. Its function is anytime the clamping beam is above the safety point and you interrupt the curtain, the beam will stop. As soon as you come out of the curtain, the beam will resume operation. Once we've reached the safety point, then the curtain will become mute and you can do any of the functions that you would like because the machine is already at its safety point. We're going to talk a little about our installation. If you'll notice, we've mounted the light curtain directly to the hard frame of the machine and not to the guards like some applications have. This prevents the curtain from shaking and moving, and when you have to do service on the machine, you don't have to remove the light curtain to do service. We've also drilled and plumbed our wires through the frame so that we don't have more than about 3 inches of exposed wire. That prevents us from catching the wires with parts or forklifts or feet or creating tripping hazards. Inside of the electrical cabinet, it's a very simple application. You have one control module and one relay module. It fits right inside the cabinet. It's very unobtrusive and it's very simple to install. If you'll notice inside the mechanical section of the machine, these are the safety switches and the limit switches for the clamping beam. The manufacturer of the curtain requires us to have a double safety. So this is the machine's normal safety. This is the second safety. Our system requires 2 inputs for the mute point. Anytime you lose one of these inputs, the curtain will act without a mute point, which means it will be on and will stop the beam.